When your home needs a new roof, an asphalt shingle roof replacement in Round Rock, Texas offers the perfect combination of durability, affordability, and protection against Texas weather. At Willi Roofing, we've been installing premium GAF asphalt shingles since 2001. The difference between a roof that lasts 15 years and one that lasts 30 comes down to the quality of materials and professional installation. Texas weather is tough on roofs. Scorching heat, sudden storms, and hail can destroy inferior materials quickly. That's why we only use GAF premium architectural shingles designed specifically for extreme conditions. GAF's Timberline series features advanced technology that reflects heat and resists damage. The multi-layer construction provides superior wind resistance and prevents water penetration. As a GAF Master Elite contractor, Willi Roofing has the training to install these systems correctly. Only 2% of contractors nationwide hold this certification, which enables us to offer GAF's Golden Pledge warranty, covering both materials and workmanship for up to 50 years. Our installation includes complete tear-off, deck inspection, leak barriers, synthetic underlayment, proper ventilation, and sealed flashing. Every component works together for decades of protection. Quality asphalt shingles installed in Williamson County by certified professionals deliver exceptional value. They last longer, perform better, and often qualify for insurance discounts. Don't trust your home's protection to inexperienced contractors or inferior materials. So reach out to us today to get started with your asphalt shingle roof replacement in Round Rock, Texas. With Willi Roofing, you'll get a great experience and amazing roofing results.